Hey everyone, and welcome back to an Investing Talk podcast. You know we love to dig into companies making waves in the market, and today's no exception. We're talking Nvni Group, ticker symbol NVNI, a company that has been sending investors on a bit of a roller coaster ride.
It's been a wild ride for sure, especially on January 24th, 2025. Imagine seeing your stock jump by over 62% in a single day.
Whoa.
That's exactly what happened with NVNI. And that's the kind of move that makes everyone sit up and take notice.
Yeah, we're not talking about pennies here. NVN, I went from $1.49 per share to $4.40, a 195% increase in just a few trading days. And during the day, it swung between $2.12 and $5.87. So tell me, what's behind this sudden surge? Is it just a short-term frenzy? Or is there something more substantial going on?
Well, there's a lot to unpack here. First off, the sheer volume of trading that day was remarkable. We're talking over 2 million shares changing hands, compared to their average of about 1.7 million. That tells us there's a lot of interest, a lot of people trying to jump on this train.
Okay, so we've got a lot of action, a lot of investors piling in. What are the charts telling us? What do the technical indicators look like for NVNI?
Technically, things are looking pretty bullish. The stock price is way above both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, which are sitting at $1.71 and $1.33 respectively. That's usually a sign of upward momentum.
But I've heard that even with such a strong upward trend, there might be some cautionary signals too, right? Something about the RSI being a bit high.
Right, you have to look at the whole picture. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently above 70.
Right.
Think of it like a speedometer.
Okay.
When it's that high, it could mean the stock is in the overbought zone, like a car going too fast. It might be due for a bit of a slowdown.
So it's not necessarily a crash, but maybe a pause or a pullback.
Exactly, and that's where those candlestick patterns you mentioned come in. They give us a visual representation, the buying and selling pressure. NVNI has been showing some strong green candles lately, which indicates strong buying and upward pressure.
Okay, so the technical indicators are painting a mixed picture with both positive and potentially cautionary signals. But let's not forget about the real-world events that might be driving all this activity. There has to be some news behind this surge, right?
Absolutely. NVNI has been in the headlines for several reasons lately. First, remember they were facing the possibility of being delisted from Nasdaq for not meeting their minimum bid price requirements. Well, on January 23rd, they announced they were back in compliance. That's a huge relief for investors, and it definitely boosted confidence.
And then, boom, their earnings report for fiscal year 2023 dropped. And it was impressive, to say the least.
They knocked it out of the park. We're talking a 36% increase in net revenue and a whopping 142% jump in adjusted EBITDA.
Wow.
Now, EBITDA is a measure of profitability, and that kind of jump is almost unheard of. It shows the company is not just growing, but becoming much more efficient.
So they're in compliance, they're posting stellar earnings, and on top of that, they're making moves in a sector that's red hot right now. Yeah. Renewable energy?
Yes. They've secured a strategic partnership in that sector, signaling their commitment to future growth in an area. That's attracting massive investor interest. It's a smart move, positioning themselves at the forefront of a major trend.
So we've got this incredible price surge fueled by a mix of technical indicators, positive news, and strategic moves in a booming sector. It sounds like NVNI is firing on all cylinders.
Yeah.
But how does their success fit into the bigger picture of the overall stock market?
Well, remember, it's late January 2025, and the market is generally doing quite well. The S&P 500 is at record highs, and there's a lot of optimism in the air, fueled by positive economic data and even talk of potential interest rate cuts from figures like President Trump.
So NVNI is riding this wave of optimism and their own strong performance.
Exactly. They're catching the perfect wave. But we also have to consider what the analysts are saying about NVNI's future. Some are predicting an average price of $3.52 for 2025.
But there's a big but here, right?
Oh, there's a huge but. Those estimates range from a low of just 1 penny to a high of $7.03. That's a pretty dramatic spread, and it shows just how much uncertainty there is.
Wow, that's a massive range. It really highlights the potential volatility here.
Yeah.
Right now, the price is around $4.94. So what does this all mean for potential investors who are watching NVNI? Is it a buy, a sell, or a hold?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Well, maybe not a million, but definitely a question worth considering.
On the one hand, NVNI has a lot going for it. Strong fundamentals, impressive earnings, strategic partnerships, and they're in good standing with Nasdaq. These are all very positive signs.
Well, there's lots of
But in investing, right, the high RSI suggests there could be a short-term correction. It's normal for a stock that's experienced such rapid growth to take a breather. However, in the long term, the outlook for NVNI seems positive.
So it sounds like NVNI could be a great opportunity. Yeah. But it's not for the faint of heart.
Exactly. It's a classic high-risk, high-reward scenario. Investors need to carefully consider their risk tolerance and investment goals before making any decisions.
All right, we've covered a lot of ground here. We've looked at ENI's incredible price surge, the technical indicators, the driving news, and the potential risks and rewards. But before we wrap up, let's take a look at what the future holds for this exciting company.
We've looked at some analyst forecasts, but there are broader trends that could impact NVNI's trajectory. For example, the renewable energy sector is just exploding right now. It's not just a trend. It's a major shift in how we think about energy.
Yeah.
If NVNI can capitalize on this, and their strategic partnership suggests they're trying to do just that, it could be a major driver of growth for years to come.
That makes a lot of sense. The world is looking for sustainable solutions, and NVNI seems to be positioning itself to be part of that solution. But even with all this positive momentum, we can't forget that the stock market is inherently unpredictable.
You got it. There are always external factors that could throw a wrench in the works. Changes in government regulations, economic downturns, unexpected events on the global stage. These can all have an impact on any company, including NVNI.
So while they're showing great promise, investors need to keep in mind that there's always the possibility of volatility, of things not going exactly as planned.
Exactly. It's all about staying informed, keeping an eye on the company's progress, and being flexible enough to adjust your investment strategy if needed.
Speaking of staying informed, I came across some pretty bold predictions. While researching NVNI,
oh, really?
Some analysts are suggesting this stock could reach $81 by 2030. That's a lot of potential upside.
It is, but it's important to remember that these long-term predictions are very speculative. While NVNI has the potential to achieve significant growth, there's also the possibility that unforeseen challenges could arise.
So while it's exciting to think about those potential gains, it's essential to take those forecasts with a grain of salt.
Absolutely. Investing is about balancing potential rewards with realistic expectations. And part of that realism is understanding the risks involved.
Okay, let's bring this back to our listeners for a moment. What does all this mean for someone who's thinking about investing in NVNI right now?
If you're looking for a high-growth opportunity, a company with the potential to deliver big returns, NVNI is definitely on the radar. But, and this is a big but, it comes with a higher level of risk than, say, a well-established blue-chip company.
So it's not something you just jump into.
Right.
Without doing your homework.
Right. You have to carefully consider your own risk tolerance, your investment goals, and your overall financial situation.
And even if you decide it's a good fit, you need to be prepared for a potentially bumpy ride.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Informed decisions are the best decisions, especially when it comes to your money.
All right, we've covered a lot about NVNI, the technical indicators, the exciting news, the potential risks and rewards, and how they fit into the broader market. So what are your final thoughts? What's the takeaway here?
NVNI is a company that's clearly on the move. They're making strategic decisions, taking advantage of industry trends, and their financial performance is strong. But, and I'm going to keep saying but, because it's important, investors need to approach this stock with a balanced perspective. Acknowledge the potential for growth, but don't ignore the risks.
It sounds like NVNI is a company worth watching closely.
Yeah.
But it's not necessarily the right fit for every investor.
Exactly. It could be a great opportunity for someone who is comfortable with higher risk and is looking for potentially substantial returns. But for someone who prefers a more conservative approach, there might be other investment options out there that are a better match for their goals.
So as we wrap up this episode focused on NVNI, let's leave our listeners with a question to ponder. Knowing what we know now about this company, their recent performance, their future prospects, would you invest in NVNI?
That's the question, isn't it? And it's one that each listener will have to answer for themselves, based on their individual circumstances and their own investment philosophy. We've given you the information, the insights, the analysis. Now it's your turn to do some thinking.
And while you're thinking, why not head over to our website or social media pages and share your thoughts? Are you bullish or bearish on NVNI? We love hearing from our listeners. Your insights help us all learn and grow as investors.
And of course, if you found this episode valuable, be sure to subscribe to Investing Talk Podcast so you don't miss out on future deep dives into the world of investing. We'll be back soon with more analysis and insights, and hopefully some fun along the way.
We've talked about NVNI's potential in the renewable energy sector, but I'm curious about the specifics. What are some of the projects or partnerships that are really driving this excitement?
One that stands out is their collaboration with a leading solar panel manufacturer. It's a perfect match because it allows VNI to integrate their cutting-edge energy storage solutions with top-of-the-line solar technology. They're creating a comprehensive system that's highly efficient for both homes and businesses.
So they're not just riding the wave, they're building the surfboard.
Exactly.
They're actually developing solutions that address this growing demand for clean energy.
Exactly.
And that's just one example. They're making strategic moves to position themselves for long-term success in a market that's changing rapidly.
It sounds like they have a pretty bold vision for the future.
They do. And they're not afraid to make big moves to get there. For example, they recently acquired a smaller competitor in the energy storage space. That's a clear sign of their ambition. It expands their market, brings in new technology, and strengthens their position as the leader in the industry.
So they're playing offense, not just defense. They're actively going after opportunities to grow and innovate.
Absolutely.
That's got to be attractive to investors. That kind of proactive approach is a signal that they're serious about growth. And that usually gets investors excited.
You know, we've talked a lot about the numbers, the trends, the market. But there's another crucial element we need to consider. The people behind NVNI. What can you tell us about the management team?
The leadership at NVNI is a big part of their success story. The CEO is a seasoned veteran in the renewable energy sector with a proven track record of driving growth and profitability.
And it's not just the CEO. The whole management team is made up of experienced professionals with expertise in engineering, finance, marketing, all the key areas.
That kind of experience at the top instills confidence in investors. It tells them that NVNI is being guided by people who really understand the market and have a clear vision for the company's future.
So it's not just about the technology or the market opportunity. It's about the people making the decisions, steering the ship.
As a strong management team is essential for any company's success, especially in a fast-moving industry like renewable energy.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground today on NVNI, their recent stock performance, their strategic moves, the risks and rewards, and the people at the helm. As we wrap up this episode of Investing Talk Podcast, what are the key takeaways for our listeners?
Well, first and foremost, NVNI is a company to keep on your radar. They're operating in a high-growth industry, they're delivering strong financial results, and they're making strategic decisions that suggest they're in it for the long haul.
But we've repeated throughout this episode, investing in any stock, especially one as dynamic as NVNI, comes with inherent risks.
It's essential to do your research, understand your own risk tolerance, and make informed decisions based on your individual financial goals.
Excellent advice. And if you want to stay informed and keep learning about NVNI and other investment opportunities, make sure you subscribe to Investing Talk Podcast.
We're here to help you navigate the world of investing and make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive into the exciting world of investing. Don't forget to share this episode with your friends and leave us a comment.